I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to Jurplastic World.
Jurplastic World here. I just finished printing the parts for the Smokey and the Bandit Trans Am, 1977 Trans Am, which I think is really, really cool. I've got the wheels printed, which are right there. Now they come off, so that I can actually pop out like that. I take them right out so I can actually paint them. That's really cool. There's a set of 4. These are the actual windows I'm going to do. Now, you can see shadows through them. They're solid, but they're going to be placed inside there after. Now, I'm not really sure if I'm going to paint the car black, if they're going to show through kind of a blackish tint. Not sure how that's going to work yet, or if I'm going to have to put on a blackish tint. I'll have to see. But this is the front window. It'll go in here. That's pretty cool, actually. I dare not snap them in because they will be permanent. I know that for sure. Same with the back one here. This back one will go in here like that. Now, I made them solid just for the reason is if I didn't make them solid, I'd probably see in between them, and it would probably look right. It would look like a double pane window. So, side windows, same thing. They're really thin. So, now, I've got some extra parts that I've made, and I've got some other kind of deal that I've done here. These are the taillights. Now, they're actually done with transparent red PLA. So they're going to turn out really good. And I've got actually, if you can see that's the small headlight. And now, looking through here, there is... Now, I printed these out of what they call TPU. So, and I had just had black. I could buy gold, but these actually go in the front of the car itself. I'm not sure which one goes where at the moment, but they shove in like that. So if I paint those gold, they'll work out well. And then those headlights go inside there too. So that's going to be really cool. That makes them fit a little better by doing them in the TPU, which is like a rubber. Car's done in 2 sections. I'm going to glue it together when I'm ready to. I've got some other stuff I want to do first. And the actual tires aren't going to turn. It's just going to be for a diorama that I'm doing. And the tires will just go on these pedestals. I call them pedestals. I guess axles. When I'm done painting the car. Now, I might tape it off. The front of the car, I might end up taping it off to do the actual eagle that's in it. Or I might make a decal. I was going to say decal on my printer with vinyl, sticky vinyl, and then put it on after, which would be really cool too. So the other thing is here, I have Burt. I printed Burt Reynolds. I also have Sally Fields, and I have, now you'd have to refresh my memory. I can't remember the truck driver's name, and on the video I could put it on, or I could just leave it and have somebody answer what the truck driver's name is, and he's carrying the dog, so that's pretty cool. Now, the Burt Reynolds I just showed you, he's a little too big for the model, so I made a smaller one. This guy here, I put it up here, too. This guy here actually is more of the size of the car, and he can lean against the car, which he does actually in a picture. It's the exact same picture of him leaning against the car, which is really, really cool. So I'll arrange that somehow here. There you go. So that's roughly how he does it. It's on the thumbnail too. I did a picture of it, but the things I got to do right now, left to do on it, is to actually glue the car together. There's the bottom of it. It also has the exhaust. I have the exhaust printed. I just have to paint it. The exhaust will just actually poke in there, and I did it in clear because I thought there was a part of the glass, but I'll paint those up gold and they'll go in there nicely, and the car will glue together nicely, and I think it should look like $1,000,000. And if you look on my other videos, you've seen that I've done the Dukes of Hazzard. I've done the Starsky and Hutch, which was a lot of fun too. And what I'm doing is starting them off so that you can see them as of printed off, ready to start putting together. And then I'll work through each video and do updates on each one as I do them. So anyway, that's the Smokey and the Bandit. Oh, and I also have the big truck, of course, that I made. It's over on the shelf, and I just got to make the decal for the side of it like the real truck, and it'll sit beside this one. And not sure what kind of a diorama I'm going to do, but I will do a diorama of it. And the other thing is getting all these guys painted up. I'll probably get Mrs. Venster involved, and she's a really good painter, and she can start painting them up, because I've got these guys, plus I've got the Dukes to do, I've got the Starsky and Hutch to do, plus paint the cars themselves, put the wheels on. And also, I just wanted to point out before I get too far here, these tires, which I've done another video of them, which you've probably seen, they're rubber. Now, I've done these solid rubber, but they still got grip to them, because I wanted them a little more like Trans Am's a little more of to me, it's like well, they skid around pretty good. They're crappy in the winter. Anyway, that's the deal, and I'll keep you posted with the progress on it and the progress of painting it all and getting it together. I think I'll do a few different videos step by step and work it on out to when it's completely finished, because if I wait till it's completely finished, it'll take too long, and I want to kind of keep you posted. Now, if you're out there and you really want me one of my videos to finish off, leave some comments. Say, I'd really like you to finish this one and get this one going, because I'm really interested in it. That would really help me and make things move a little better, because I like to work on all kinds of projects. I like to be, my mind is always crazy. So anyway, till the next video, and there's more videos to watch, so please feel free to subscribe, like, and comment. It'd be appreciated. You can ask me any question, I'll answer it. If you're another 3D printer that is doing his own thing, I have no competition with anybody. I love what I do, and I love what other people do, and it'd be great if you stop by and if you're better and been doing it longer than me, hey, stop by and say hi. Till the next time.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.